Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, first, this question brings up what's common in a lot of consults I do. Um, they'll have the form number and they will say, they just need help filling out the form, thinking that that's all that's necessary to make the petition proper. The form is like the book cover. Okay, imagine a book cover but no pages inside. That's what just filling out the form does. Okay, and there's all kinds of other issues, whether the person qualifies to do the form, whether it's the right one to do, whether or not there are inadmissibility issues, whether there are status issues. There's lots and lots of different issues. So it's much more than just filling out a form. So when you say you've been given the 539 form, somebody gave you a form because they think you want to do a change of status for somebody else, but they have no idea if that person qualifies for a change of status, if the time is correct, if that's the proper way of doing it, if there are better ways of doing it, if that will make the status issues worse. Just based on what you're writing here, I can't tell you if that is the proper way to do it. I can tell you that you're trying to do an F1 to H4 for your wife while you're doing an H1-B transfer. So, in fact, your particular status is not yet set. You didn't say you have an approval of the H1-B transfer, but it is in process. So, in this particular regard, while you could have submitted a change of status for her at the same time based on your H1B transfer, it would be necessary really to receive an approval, and then once you have the approval, then you could do the change of status for your wife, assuming that she does not have any status issues. So I would need to know if the F1 has expired, if she complied with the terms of the F1. I would need to know if she's inadmissible based on other reasons. And of course, I would need to make sure that your H1B is proper and that you have gone forward. So as you can see, there are a lot of different issues other than just filling the form. Where this comes up a lot also is when someone needs to do a waiver and they'll go, I have the I-601. Can you just help me fill it out? Okay, and again, the answer is no, because it's much more than the form. It's the evidence, the supporting declarations, the uh, attorney cover letter that makes all the necessary arguments and so forth. So, um, you know, the information that I've stated above, of course, I would need to know, but then I would need to determine what the best course of action would be based upon that. Okay?